This is my third time in Dubai. Every time I come in here, I feel so much at ease. Also because I feel that there are so many people from the Indian subcontinent, and it's truly a metropolitan city where you have people from all ethnicity. And what I really love about Dubai is the fact that it is such a humongous and at the same time such an exuberant example of man-made marvels. मेरे पीछे देखिए. I mean, I'm so awestruck and at the same time, I'm so kind of really overwhelmed seeing the amount of precision with which this particular city is built. बहुत बहुत मेरे जहन में ना उन लोगों के लिए रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ जाती है जब मैं देखता हूँ कि कितनी मेहनत की गई है इस शहर को बनाने के लिए. और आप यकीन मानिए एज सच इस शहर में कुछ ही नहीं है जिसे देखने के लिए नेचुरली लोग दूसरी जगह से आए. बट ये मैन मेड मार्वल इतना बढ़िया है. इट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल राइट फ्रॉम बुर्ज अल अरब टू गोइंग टू बुर्ज खलीफा और पाम अटलांटिस or at least roaming down in the city, be it the new city or the old city, everything is so beautiful. In fact, मैं थोड़ी देर पहले बाहर से ही देख रहा था the futuristic museum, which is the science museum, which is absolutely fabulous. Dubai frame and everything is so very well, marketed. It is absolutely top notch. I hope this particular video finds you in good health. Just look at that. Look at that. That's absolutely superb. Superb. And why wouldn't you love to stay in a place like this? Great place to live in, super vibe, and more importantly, a place which kind of gives you a lot of happiness. But the only thing, you can only be very, very happy. You can be happy rather, but you can only be very, very happy when you live here with your family and friends. My family just does not include the bunch of people who live in my home, but also a lot of people who see me on Facebook, love my work on Instagram, and kind of see me put these kind of videos on YouTube. I hope you like this. Thank you. My name is Randeep. Habibi, come to Dubai.